Hello everyone. So in this video I'm going to give you all a very simple eye makeup tutorial using Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette. Here I'm using the Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette in the shade 04. It is a dupe of Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette. The pigmentation of it and the color is really awesome. So for the concealing process I'm going to use the Swiss Beauty Cover Studio Concealer palette. Firstly, I'm going to take the orange shade and going to use it over the lid and under the eyes to remove dark circles in the darkness. Now I'm going to use this cream shade over the orange one, under my eyes and over my lids. Now I'm going to take the blending brush and blend the concealer down completely over and under your eyes. Now I'm going to take the Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette, and with this eyeshadow brush I'm going to apply firstly the orange shade from this palette. Take the orange shade and apply it over the crease and blend it really nicely. Blending is really important when you use eyeshadow. Now I'm going to take this maroon shade for the edges and blend it in circular motion. Blend it nicely. Now I'm going to use this cream shade to apply in the left part of my eyes so that I can apply the glitter shade and it stays. Now I'm going to take this glitter golden shimmer shade, which is the middle one, and apply it a little bit over the cream one. And now I'm going to take this flat eyeshadow brush and dab the golden shimmer shade over my eyes. Dab it down twice or thrice for the nice golden look. For the eyeliner, I'm using Faces Canada Magnetic Eyes Eyeliner. The vent is very thin and I got this from Purple. I'm not going to create any kind of wing one. Now I'm going to use the Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara for more volume to my eyelashes and give it a good curl. See how nice the curl looks of my eyelashes, as well as it ruined my hijab, I think. Yeah, it did. Now I'm going to use a Lakme Iconic Kajal. Always use the kajal in the waterline to give it a very finished and nice look. So yeah, I'm finally done with this Swiss Beauty eyeshadow makeup tutorial, and I hope you guys like this video. If you try this eye makeup, then make sure to comment how it goes, and guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel for more food and fashion videos. I'll see you guys really soon. Bye.